Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up, guys. For your daily energy, Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking few cards. So these are for your daily energies, guys. These are for your career situation, Scorpio. So we are picking 3 cards each. And 3 cards for your relationship. And we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Scorpios. And I'll also be picking 1 card from the Oracle guidance, the Angel Oracle guidance. So that is a general guidance what we can follow every day. We will turn these cards now, guys. Let's start with the daily reading first, Scorpios. It's 10 of Earth, 6 of Air, and King of Earth. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Scorpios, these cards may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. You are a person, you are making lot of efforts, guys. Scorpios, it may be something to do with your career or your personal life, guys. You are a very you may be a workaholic. You have that ability, skill and talents to attract prosperity and abundance today. And you also have that opportunity coming your way, or you create that opportunities or ventures in your situation today. So no matter what your situation is, you are able to reach that prosperous situation because of your knowledge you have in your by your experience in your life. So you are a very wise person, you know what you need to do today, and you have that clear knowledge in your situation, whatever your achievements, and you are changing yourself, guys. Maybe in your situation you are facing troubles in your situation, some obstacles maybe in your career or maybe in your personal life, but you are trying to achieve that balance and harmony today, trying to shift your focus on something else because you want to progress towards your dreams and goals, towards what you truly desire. So you are working towards those dreams and goals, and you don't want to focus your attention on these stressful things or some kind of troubles. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energy, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. It is love, Tower, Messenger of Fire. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, in your career situation, you are a strong-willed person, determined and unstoppable. You know what you need to do, and you are marching towards your goals today, whatever that is, and you are ready to take up any new choices or opportunities coming your way and you have a vision and dream in your path to progress in a positive way, guys. And that may be the reason that I see you may get some good opportunities in your situation, some collaborations, or some new ventures are coming your way, guys. And you are working with people with that better understanding, maybe in your situation, your colleagues or your partners, whoever it is, you are working with them, and you are seeing some surprising changes, some unexpected events or opportunities, some positive transformations are happening if you are really open to that positive change today. So something is coming really fast today, guys, Scorpio. So you need to grab those opportunities that are coming very soon. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Scorpios. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship, Scorpios. 8 of Water, Ace of Water, and 5 of Air. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, in this relationship, you may have some confusions with this person, and you may not come to agree with this person maybe on certain things, because you both have different thinking. Your thinking is different, their thinking is different because of your motives or intentions. So because of this confusions or conflicts today, you may work towards a better understanding of yourself, or work towards that better person. You yourself may change for the better because of these conflicts or fights that you have with this person, guys. And in your and this person and yourself, what you have in between you, it may be an unconditional love, guys, and they have their hopes and their dreams based on you, and they feel confident and courageous with you, and they feel that you are the light of their life, you are the joy of their life. And maybe sometimes you may feel that this may not be true, that this love may not be true, and it may be something superficial, guys. So you have to let go of this person. But I see that this person is giving you freedom because they love you, guys, and you are working towards that better understanding, and you are working towards that authentic feeling with this person. So whatever you may feel, you need to share it with that person. That is also what I see, guys, with this card. You need to communicate with this person, guys. So whatever stressful situations that you may have, you can work it out if your love is true. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Scorpios. Let us see what is your angel guidance. Archangel Zadkiel. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are there guiding us today to have that harmonious life, guys. So this card stands for forgiveness. So when we have that compassion to ourselves and to that person, we will be able to see things with a broadening perspective, guys. That will help us to broaden our awareness, and it will help us to have that deeper meaning when we have that compassion for others. So when we have that different perception, we will understand that situation and we will be able to forgive that person and forgive ourselves for some mistakes that we did and move on in life and have that harmonious, balanced life. So that is what this guidance is about, guys, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Scorpios. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.